Hello guys, it's me Abraham, and today I'm gonna talk about the Python data types. So let me show you. Okay, the first is the text type, which is called string. Let me show you. A equal double quotes hello Abraham. Now print is A, and we're gonna click in this icon to show, and now it appeared string or that text. The second is numeric types, where it appears integer, float, and complex. A equal 20, print with the parentheses, and we're gonna type the A. Now let's run. It's gonna appear the number. Let me show you other example. B equal 25, print B. Now it's gonna appear the other number, 25. Let me show you. A equal 20.5, print A. Let me click. Now it's gonna appear a number. Other example, C equal 15.9, print C. Now A equal 2J, print A. Okay. Other example, D equal 23J. Okay. Print D. Now it appears that character. Okay. Well guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you can enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel in Vida en Español con Abraham, and please share this video to your friends. Thank you so much, and see ya.